In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate images in Leonardo AI using the ideogram model with negative prompts. Start by opening Leonardo AI in your browser. Once you're on the platform, head to the image section. This is where you'll do all your text-to-image work. If you're new to the interface, think of this area as your creative workspace. Your prompt goes in, the artwork comes out. Next, choose the model. Look for the model picker, usually near the prompt box or along the panel on the side, and select ideogram. Picking the right model matters because each one has its own strengths. Ideogram is great for clean composition and handling structured concepts, so it's a solid choice when you want crisp, consistent results. Now open Advanced Settings. This panel gives you finer control over how your image is generated. You don't need to change everything here, but it's important for the next step. Turn on the negative prompt option. Negative prompts tell the model what you don't want to see. This is powerful for cutting out common issues like blur, unwanted text, or odd anatomy. Think of it as a filter that steers the model away from distractions so your main idea stays clear. Enter your main prompt. Be descriptive and specific. Include the subject, style, mood, lighting, and any key details. For example, a cinematic portrait of a traveler under golden hour light, high detail, shallow depth of field, film grain. Short, clear phrases separated by commas work well, and it helps to mention the style or medium if you have one in mind. Then enter your negative prompt. List the elements you want to avoid, separated by commas. Common blockers include low quality, blurry, noisy, distorted hands, extra fingers, text, watermarks, logos, artifacts, over-sharpened, overexposed, underexposed. Keep it concise. You're guiding the model, not overwhelming it. When everything looks good, click Generate. The system will process your inputs and return images based on your prompt and the ideogram model's capabilities. Give it a moment to render. Once your images appear, look closely at details like edges, lighting, and facial features to confirm they match your intent and that the negative prompt did its job. If the result is close but not perfect, small wording tweaks can make a big difference. Add a key descriptor to your main prompt or tighten the negative prompt with a single extra phrase. Subtle adjustments often lead to a clean final image without overhauling your idea. And that's it. You went to Leonardo AI, opened the image workspace, selected ideogram, used advanced settings to enable negative prompts, entered your prompts, and generated your image.